no! Who'd put a windscreen on their new Royal Enfield? Oh, it's horrible. Oh, yuck. Oh, it's horrible. Oh, who would do it?
Yep, it's definitely controversial. I mean, who would put a windscreen on their beautiful new Royal Enfield Classic 350? Well, me. Let me tell you why. First, let's discuss the looks. I mean, I agree that the windscreen totally ruins most Classic 350s, but I got one anyway. Because in my case, I've got a Signals edition, and in my opinion, it really suits the vibe of an old army bike. The ones you see in the movies riding around with big windscreens. Yep, big windscreens. And that said, if I had a different version of the bike, I'd probably be thinking twice. The big question we're all asking is, does it make a difference? Well, the first thing I noticed when I rode my Classic 350 without the windscreen was the wind bashing against my chest as I approached 80 km per hour. I'm pleased to report that the windscreen stops the buffeting. Yep, it's less windy at high speeds. I have noticed though, that as I ride along there does seem to be, and I say seems to be, a little bit more wind noise. This could be my total imagination, but without taking that windscreen off again, I can't really confirm. Just something to be aware of, because it means I can't hear the lovely engine noise clearly, and this makes it a little bit harder to know what's going on with the bike. But all said and done, I really like the cockpit vibe created by the windscreen. It's a really nice place to be behind the glass. Well, actually it's plastic. Installing, yeah, that was a bit fiddly. See my earlier video, I'll put the link in the description. But I got it done with a bit of help from the girlfriend. It wasn't too hard in the end. So to all of the naysayers, all the people who hate the windscreen, I say, what has it ever done to you? I love my windscreen. I think it really suits the version of the Royal Enfield Classic 350 that I have, the Signals edition. And that basically, you can choose whatever you want to do. Put a windscreen on, don't put a windscreen on. Doesn't really matter, it's totally up to you.
Oh, it's horrible. Oh, who would do it?